Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to resize windows on PICO 4 Ultra. To resize windows, open an app, for example the store, and then hover in the right edge and press and hold on the trigger, and you can drag it to resize this window. And you can also bring it closer or move it further by dragging over this bar, which is on the dock. Press and hold on it, then move this stick on the controller, and this moves these windows closer or further. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.